Hello everyone. In this module I have explained about the new topic of first chapter of the second part book, that is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This portion was included in this chapter, that is Challenges of Nation of part book Politics in India since Independence, in this year, that is in 2020-21 syllabus by the CBSE. So why CBSE included this portion in our chapter? Because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a very important character in the integration of the princely state of our country. So let's see that what we get in this topic. This is a picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His lifespan was from 31st October 1975 to 15 December 1950. He was an Indian barrister, as well as he also played as a role of a senior leader in Indian National Congress. Not only that, he was also known as the founder father of the Republic of India, who played a very important and active role in the in the field of the country's struggle for independence. And not only that, he guided us for the government or the citizen for integrating our country into a united way, so that we call our country as an independent united nation. Not only that, he served as the first deputy prime minister of our country, as well as the home minister of our country also. Patel was born in Nadia place, which is situated in Gujarat, and as well as not only his whole life was situated in, or his whole life was spent in the Gujarat, but his basic education and the birthplace was Gujarat. But his further education, as you know that he was a lawyer, so his further education and all his brought up, that was occurred in the countryside of the state Gujarat. He not only as a lawyer he worked for our country, but as a protester also. He took participate in many movements which was occurred in the Gujarat. If you see the example of Kheda Satyagraha in 1980, Borsat Satyagraha and Badolia Satyagraha 1928. So these are some of the important the protest or the movement which was occurred or which was held before the independence. And here Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to participate in a very active manner, which was held in the Gujarat. And this movement is based on the civil non-violent civil disobedience, which was basically against the British Raj. So he, as one of the influence leader of Gujarat, he took participate in the movement which is against the British Raj. So if you see the map, you can understand that this is the Kheda, and here only her birthplace, that is the that Nadia. And the Kheda Satyagraha that was held in 1980, which is against the British. Not only that, there is another reason which is situated in this part, that is Surat, that is the Bardoli. The Bardoli's Satyagraha was occurred in 1928 against the British. So from this map you can understand this, it's all about the Gujarat, that not only for the countries, but especially for the Gujarat also, he take so many Satyagraha to participate in the Satyagrahas also. He was also appointed as a 49th President of Indian National Congress. As a first Home Minister, Patel played a very active role in the integration of the princely state in Indian Federation. You all know that during the time of the British Council, there is two parts of the country. One is which is under the British Council or British Raj, and another one is which is under the princely state, which is known as princely state. So when the British Council or British Raj, they that is removed from our country, or they left, leaving our country, so they give the power to the princely states that whether they can merge with Pakistan or either India, or they can make their own country. So during that time, it is very much that it is the biggest challenge after the independence that how to integrate it all the princely state, and that is the very biggest challenge, along with the three different challenges which you have already learned from this chapter. Because every princely state, they wanted to become their own country, because no one wanted to go to under the that under the control of any other country. So for that reason, when they have a power, so they are try to initiate it, they try to create it their own country, and that is the biggest challenge, that how to that influencing the princely state so that they will be integrated with our India. And he played a very important role, and he that he take this activity under his control, and almost 565 princely state of India, they try to merge with our country. And that's why he known as the Iron Man of India, as because he struggled a lot, he worked hard for integrating, for collecting all the princely state into merging with our country, so that our that territory should be increased. And as because he never wanted to lose the princely state, as because he was not in a favor of the compromising with his Indian territory, with his Indian that integrity by the boundaries or different things. So by his political experience, by his diplomatic quality, by his foresightness, he always tried to negotiate it and influences the princely state. And due to his political experiences, due to his diplomatic influences, due to his good intelligence power, out of India's 565 princely state, many had already given their concern to merge with the Indian before achieving the independence. So you can understand from that how much he was so much influenced, whether if you see his political experience, because he is very rich in his political experience as a because he is serving us as a prime minister, deputy prime minister, as well as home minister, and as well as he become was also a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. So he have a very huge political experience. He have a very diplomatic proneness, because he always guiding us how to integrate it all the countries. So he have a very influencing character for due to, and not only that, he is very intelligent, as he is a lawyer. So for that reason, he is very intelligent, and his cleverness are very that is a very flourish during that time. So for that reason, with these three qualities of his own three qualities, he easily that out of 565 many countries with by influencing with these three qualities of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they already before the independence, they merged with our country. They can give concern for merging in our country. He faced many key challenges of integration, especially among all these 565 countries. He faced so much challenges for integrating the countries into three states. What are the three states? The first one is Hyderabad, which you already have learned in your chapter, and later on, after so many struggle, later on he that successfully achieved for integrating the Hyderabad. Junagadh is also, he faced lots of that problems to integrating the Junagadh, but he at last he successfully achieved for integrating that. But Kashmir is also, he was also faced many challenges for integrating the Kashmir, but it is not successful, because he always that giving his opinion, which is not at all same with the others leader. He never wanted to leave the Kashmir. He was always wanted that Kashmir integration with India should be there, either by their concern or by through military operation, because that he never wanted to lose the territory of his country. So at any cost he wanted to be to integrated the Kashmir, but due to some various reason it cannot be happen, and it not be successful. But he will always remain as an unsounding leader, who are who are notable leader, because no one is just like the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a unique in his character, with his qualities, with his sense of intelligence, and with the three features that is known as NCR, that is the nationalist, the feeling for its nation, the catalyst, which is come from the two word, that is crystal and analyst. So crystallized and analyst, it is made the catalyst, which means that that the purity and the realistic, which means the ownness, the uniqueness. So with these three character, with these three qualities, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel become a very important role, and we should know about him, so that because he was a very important character for our that for our country, as due to his all the struggle, due to his all the guidance, due to his all that the achieve that the influencing their that his his hard working, we today we have a very huge country where all the princely state are merged with their concern. Only he was unsuccessful for integrating the Kashmir into the Indian country. That, but he wanted to be to get the Kashmir by the military operation, but due to some other politicians or some other leaders, it was not happening. So I hope you all understand this topic very much, because it is a very new to you, and you should know about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as because he was one of the important character of our political area of our country. So I hope you all understand about that. In your previous timing, there's only one, in page number 17, there's only one small box given about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, but in this year the CBSE added this portion into a main topic, where you also providing CBSE also providing you the material, the resource material which you get from the CBSE website in academic curriculum of political science, and this point also included in the that resources. So I try to explain all the things so that it will be easier for you to understand, and along with the material I also included here a little bit a story, a little bit the that introduction about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, so that it will be easy to you for remembering his passionate work, for remembering his struggles and everything. Thank you so much for watching this video.